Whether you're moving to a new home or simply rearranging your living room, follow these steps to get your couch to its new location safe. Here's what you'll need. To start, measure the length, width, and depth of your couch. Use these dimensions to figure out your moving path. Measure doorways, hallways, and other obstacles to make a plan. You may need to remove your door to allow for an easier move. Recruit the right amount of help based on your couch size. For example, you'll need 4 or more people to move a large sectional. Protect your couch from damage by wrapping with stretch wrap or cloths. Start by removing legs, detaching arms, and disassembling sectionals. Place any screws, legs, and other parts in a plastic bag and add to the box with the cushions. To wrap, start at the base of the couch and use stretch wrap and moving blankets to wrap the entire sofa. Secure loose ends with packing tape. When you're ready to move the couch, use a dolly or hand truck. Lift the couch, or tip it vertically and slide it slowly onto the dolly. Secure it with tie-down straps and wheel it to your moving truck. With larger couches, have your helper guide the couch from inside the room as you roll the couch through the door. Using your dolly or hand truck, keep a person on each side and guide the sofa up the ramp into the back of the truck. Secure it with tie-down straps. If you're moving a couch into an SUV or van, with a helper on each side, lift the couch onto the back of the vehicle. When unloading the couch, take it off the moving truck the same way you wheeled it on. Good luck with your move, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.